Decipher the sounds, mastering English through dictation. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about an age-old yet super effective method of improving your English pronunciation, dictation. Dictation is a great way to not only improve your listening skills but also your spelling, vocabulary, and understanding of sentence structure. So let's dive into it. Dictation is a method where you listen to a piece of English language. It could be a sentence, a paragraph, or a whole passage, and then write down what you hear. This exercise forces you to pay close attention to the sounds, rhythms, and intonations of the English language. But it's not just about copying words. It's about understanding how the sounds correlate to the written language, which is critical to enhancing your pronunciation. Before we get into how to practice dictation, let's talk about why it's so effective. Firstly, dictation trains your ear to recognize English sounds, words, and intonation patterns. Secondly, it helps you understand how different words can sound similar yet have different spellings. Lastly, it improves your writing skills by helping you to understand and emulate proper English syntax and grammar. So, how do you practice dictation? It's easy. You can start with short, simple sentences and gradually move up to longer, more complex paragraphs as your skills improve. Here are the steps. 1. Listen. Play the audio without attempting to write anything down. Pay attention to the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. 2. Write. Now play the audio again and write down what you hear. Don't worry about getting everything perfect the first time around. 3. Check. Compare what you wrote with the original transcript. Highlight the parts where you made mistakes. 4. Repeat. Practice the same dictation several times until you can write it out perfectly. Remember, dictation is about repetition and practice. The more you practice, the better you'll get. To make the most out of your dictation practice, remember these tips. Start slow. Begin with slower, simpler recordings before progressing to faster, more complex ones. Repeat, repeat, repeat. The key to dictation is repetition. The more you listen and write, the better you'll get. Be patient. It takes time to improve, so don't get frustrated if you make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. And that's it for today, folks. Remember, mastering a language is a journey, and dictation is a powerful tool to help you along the way. I hope you found this video useful, and I can't wait to see how your English pronunciation skills improve with practice. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.